Canvas LMS Course Navigation Overview. Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Islam, and in this video, I will walk you through navigating a course in Canvas LMS. Whether you are an instructor setting up your course or a student trying to find your way around, understanding course navigation is essential for a smooth learning experience. Today, we'll explore the course menu, customization options, and the best practices to keep your course organized and user-friendly. Let's get started. Accessing your course. To access your Canvas course, start by logging in at your institution's Canvas URL using your credentials. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard where you will see all the courses you are enrolled in. Click on the course you want to enter and you will be taken to the course home page. Understanding the course navigation menu. Now let's take a look at the course navigation menu located on the left side of the screen. This menu provides quick access to different sections of your course. Here are some key features you will use frequently. Home. This is the main page where your course opens. Instructors may customize what appears here. Announcement. Important messages from your instructors are posted here. Modules. This is where your course content is structured in a logical sequence. Assignments. All assignments due dates can be found here. Discussions. A place for interactive discussions with classmates and instructors. Grades. Students can check their grades and feedback here. People. A list of all students, instructors, and teaching assistants in this course are listed here. Settings are for instructors or the course creators. Instructors can configure course settings and manage features here. I will cover that in more detail. Course navigation menu. Instructors have the ability to customize the course navigation menu. To do this, go to Settings, then click on the Navigation tab. Here, you can drag and drop menu items to reorder them or remove any that are not needed. You can hide them. Once you have made your changes, click Save at the bottom of the page. Keeping your menu simple and organized helps students find what they need quickly. Troubleshooting. If a menu item is missing, go to Setting, Navigation to enable it. If students report missing content, check and make sure that modules and pages are published. If they are not, click on the green button and then make sure that check mark is checked. Disable unused menu items to keep navigation simple. Use modules to guide students through content in a structured way. Label menu items clearly to avoid confusion. Conclusion. That's a wrap up on course navigation in Canvas. By understanding the course navigation menu, customizing it for clarity and following best practices, you can ensure an efficient and user-friendly experience for both instructors and students.